Tutorial Center for Reading and Writing.
Let's learn how to read. Basic sight words. Ab family. A, b, ab. K, ab. Cab. D, ab. Dab. G, ab. Gab. J, ab. Jab. L, ab. Lab. Ab. Ab. Nab. Tab. Tab. Now let's read the words again. Cab. Cab. Dab. Dab. Gab. Gab. Jab. Jab. Lab. Lab. Nab. Nab. Tab. Tab. Add family. Add. Add. B. Add bad. D. Add dad. Add fad. Add had. Oh. Add lad. Add mad. P. Add pad. Now let's read the words again. Bad. Bad. Dad. Dad. Fad. Fad. Had. Had. Lad. Lad. Mad. Mad. Pad. Pad.
Let's read the words one more time.
Cab. Dab. Gab. Jab. Lab. Nab. Tab. Bad. Dad. Fad. Had. Lad. Mad. Pad.
Thank you for learning with us. For more free lessons, subscribe, like, and share this video. And for free printable worksheet, visit our Facebook page at iCan Tutorial Services.